Okay, so now I corrected the question. The question is saying what word is used for someone, we have to name that one, or someone who watches a sports event. You want to record? Please send me the request again, Ali, to start recording
Okay.
this session. Yes, yes, maybe I rejected that unconsciously. Okay, so let's listen to the question one last time, and I want to show you or tell you the answer.
What word is used for someone who watches a sport
8.
event?
What word is used for someone who watches a sports event?
So it is spectator. Okay,
Spec?
spectator,
What mean?
spectator.
What means in Arabic?
Spectator means is that person who watches sport. Okay, Ali?
Yeah,
Spectator.
but in Arabic, what meaning in Arabic? The
Okay.
spectator.
Is okay, let me Google that. It is المتفرج or المشاهد.
Yeah, exactly. المشاهد.
Yeah,
This is what I'm trying to
I
find.
know, but because you don't know the meaning of this word in English, so this is why you cannot find or you cannot say the answer. Spectator. Let's listen to the pronunciation of this word.
Spectator.
This is number one. And let's check its meaning. So it is the person who watches, this is it, the person who watches sport, event, a game, TV. Okay? So spectator is the answer. Let me try to write it in red. So this is it. Now this is about question number 7. Now I think it's the time to listen to the question number 8.
No, this is number 8 because 7 already done.
Ah, yes, I
So we
wait.
start number 9.
Yes, let me exactly. So maybe, we didn't write the previous question because you
Yeah.
answered it immediately. That's amazing. So now the next question is 9. Now 9 is saying, Ali, once the microphone, as we said, once the microphone closes, you cannot change your answer. So this is why you have to be careful. If you realize your first answer was not correct, keep speaking and give the correct answer immediately. You have 10 seconds to give your response, but the microphone will close if there are more than 3 seconds of silence. So this is extremely important. Don't stay silent for 3 seconds or the microphone will be closed. Okay?
Yeah.
Now let's listen to the question number 9. Question number 9 says,
9.
What object would you use to climb up to the roof of a house?
What object we use to climb up the roof of the house, right?
yes, it is easy peasy.
What object? Can you repeat the question again,
Yes, we can. Okay, now let me
please?
repeat it.
9.
What object would you use to climb up to the roof of a house?
Come on, it is really easy.
Can you repeat again the
Yes, let me repeat it.
9.
What object would you use to climb up to the roof of a house?
Brush or
What object would you use to climb up to the roof of a house? What is the name of that thing?
ladder?
Yes, it is ladder. Thank you so much. Exactly. But please, you have to think fast, Ali, and you don't have to stay silent for 3 seconds, as we said. Okay?
Yeah.
So, what object, this is the exact question. Let me write it down. What object would you use if you want to climb up to the roof of your house, to the roof of any house, of any house? Absolutely question mark. Let me capitalize the first letter and change the color to be black. And we have to listen to the question one final time. Then we have to write the answer down.
9.
What object would you use to climb up to the roof of a house?
So it is ladder. But how can I write that, Ali?
Ladder,
Uh,
LAD,
uh-huh.
E,
Ladder.
ER.
Please be careful because maybe you want to write this word down if you are writing an essay, for example. Okay? So be careful about vocabulary all the time, Ali. If you want to learn a new vocab, first of all, you have to know its meaning. This is number one. Number two, you have to learn its pronunciation, the way that you have to say this word. Finally, you have to know how to write this word because not only you need it in speaking, but also in writing. Okay?
Okay.
So we notice that vocab is extremely important. So this is question number 9. Now we have to listen to the final question. But before that, let me show you or mention the final tip in answering short question. Don't pause in the middle of your answer. Don't stop talking in the middle of your answer. As we said, for more than 3 seconds. This is extremely important because maybe, Ali, you do that unconsciously because maybe you are thinking about the answer or something like that. So please, you have to be careful. You have to concentrate all the time. If you do so, if you stay silent for 3 seconds, the recording will move on to the next question and your answer will be incomplete. Okay?
Okay.
So now it's the time, as we said, to listen to the final question. Now, the final question says,
10.
If you don't feel like eating, what do we say you don't have?
Full,
what?
full.
Full?
If you don't feel like eating or what,
Uh-huh.
right?
Do you want me to repeat the question?
Yeah.
Yeah, let's listen to the question. Listen carefully.
10.
If you don't feel like eating, what do we say you don't have?
Eating or eating?
Eating. Eating.
Eating. This is what I'm saying. Eating.
There is no word such eating, Ali. So, if you don't feel like eating, we have to say that you don't have what?
Space or
Have you understood the question, Ali?
yeah. If you are not feel like uh,
If you don't feel like eating, okay? What do we say you don't have? You don't have what? Let's imagine that you are hungry, but you don't want to eat. you don't have that desire to eat. I have to say that I lost my what? What do you think? So the final question, if you don't feel, if you don't, I have to capitalize the first letter. If you don't feel like eating, you don't want to eat, although that you're hungry. What do we say? What do we say you don't have? You don't have. You don't have what? Question mark. Let me capitalize the first letter. Change the color to be black. And now I need you to think about the answer. Oh, you know what? Let me play the question again.
10. If you don't feel like eating, what do we say you don't have?
So you don't have what?
It's the same. I know the meaning on Arabic, but
This is the problem of vocabulary. You have to learn new vocabulary every day, Ali. Okay? I think I sent a book for your wife about vocabulary. Please check this book out. This book is extremely important. You need it.
yeah,
Okay? So it is appetite. The desire to eat. Appetite. Okay?
appetite, it means,
The desire to eat. Okay? By the way, let me try to write this word on Google Translation just to check its meaning, to check its pronunciation, because you need it later. So, appetite.
شهية,
Appetite.
exactly.
Appetite.
The desire to eat food. So, this is it. A natural desire or need for what? For food. I lost my appetite.
Yeah,
Yeah,
exactly.
maybe I'm hungry, but I don't want to eat. Maybe something wrong happened, so I lost my appetite. So this is it. Please be careful, Ali, because till now, all the answers are only one word. You can say two words, you can say three words, but absolutely you cannot say more than this because this is only a short answer. You have to answer by saying only a few words. When I say a few, only two or three maximum, not more than this. Okay?
Yeah,
So this is it. Absolutely, this is only about test one because we have more than one tests in this book, but I think it is enough for you. And now it is about self-studying. You have to study yourself. And as we noticed, the more you study, the better you will be. The more vocabulary you have, the better you will be. Because the most important thing, Ali, you really need is to have enough vocab. How can
yeah,
I speak if I don't have enough vocab? How can I write if I don't have enough vocab? And absolutely later on, we have to write. We have to write an essay and any piece of writing, you need vocab. Okay?
yeah.
So this is it about answering question. I think it is enough for explaining this task. The next class, we have to examine or explain a new task in the PTE exam. Okay?
Okay.
So if you have any questions for today, you can ask me before leaving.
No, all good.
If
Yeah,
mm,
so I'll try to do the that one give it to me less time to do
Please,
it.
please,
Yeah,
please. And if you
one
want,
more.
Ali, I can send a complete task, a complete answer short question task, which is about 10 questions at least, because we said that it is from 10 to 12. I can send a complete exam which consists of 10 tasks, 10 questions you can listen to and you can write to answer. And later on, you can show me the answers just to show you or to tell you if your answers are correct or maybe not.
Okay.
What do you think?
Please, if you can.
Yeah, absolutely. You need this. You need to practice, Ali.
Yeah.
And I'm going to upload the videos to your channel, to your playlist, just to be able to watch them if you want. I know that you are recording the session, but maybe there is one video which is missing. All the videos, all your videos are existed in your playlist. Okay?
Okay.
So this is it. Now I have to thank you and let me wish a good night for you. Thank you so
Thank
much.
you very much. Have a great day.
Thank you.
Yeah, see you tomorrow, inshallah.
See you tomorrow and thank you for coming. Bye bye.
See you, Habibi. See you. Bye.
Bye
Bye.
bye.